Imagine, for a moment, the discomfort of a sweltering summer day without air conditioning, or a frigid winter night without heat. Unfortunately, these are realities for many who face the steep costs of HVAC services. But what if there was a solution to this problem? Enter Louisville HVAC Company. They've launched a groundbreaking financing program aimed at making their top-tier HVAC services more accessible. This innovative program offers 6 months of interest-free financing. That's right, 6 months without a penny of interest. It's a game changer for those who may find the upfront costs of HVAC repairs or replacements daunting. The man behind this initiative, Daryl Dutchka, owner of Louisville HVAC Company, understands the significance of this financial burden. His goal? To ensure that no family in the community has to endure a day without proper heating or cooling due to financial constraints. This financing program is the latest in the company's tradition of innovative solutions and stellar customer service. Remember their 24-hour emergency services? This is just another testament to their commitment to the community. Louisville HVAC Company continues to lead the way in providing accessible, reliable, and timely HVAC solutions. About the company? They're a top-tier HVAC contractor in Louisville, Kentucky. They specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. They are known for their expertise, professionalism, and commitment to customer satisfaction. They've been serving the residential and commercial needs of the Louisville community for years, offering comprehensive HVAC solutions designed to ensure optimal comfort and efficiency. For more information about Louisville HVAC Company and their game-changing financing program, visit their website or give them a call. Let Louisville HVAC Company make the comfort of your home their priority.